This is Tangxing Technology from Huainan, China, with our overseas manufacturing base located in Malaysia. We conduct full machining and assembly locally at Seremban factory. Annual production capacity reaches 50 sets of pipe jacking machines. All cutter heads, hydraulic cylinders and core power parts adopt customized anti-corrosion coating for Malaysia tropical humid climate. Full product range, micro-tunneling 400mm up to 4000mm slurry or earth or hard rock or rectangular pipe jacking machines. Each unit is redeveloped according to local soft soil, granite stratum and RCP or Gerpatere pipe standard. Remote real-time monitoring system supports online fault diagnosis for construction sites. On-site complete spare parts warehouse, no long waiting for cross-border delivery. A local experienced technical team delivers comprehensive on-site after-sales support throughout all states of Malaysia. Our engineers are available to assist customers with geological assessment and customized construction solutions prior to purchase. Completed multiple municipal drainage, water supply and utility tunnel projects in Penang, Seremban. Price is 40% lower than European and Japanese equivalent models with equivalent performance, 40%. Tangxing Equipment Malaysia, Negeri Sembilan. Welcome contractors, engineering firms and trading partners to visit our production base for inspection and cooperation.